Sequence data types in Python with syntax and example. str. Bytes. Byte array. List. Tuple. Range. str. In Python, str represents string data type. A string is represented by a group of characters. Strings are enclosed in single or double quotes. Both are valid. Example. str equals welcome. str equals welcome. Bytes. The bytes data type represents a group of byte numbers just like an array does. A byte number is any positive integer from 0 to 255. It cannot store negative numbers. We cannot modify or edit any element in the bytes array. Example. Elements equals 10, 20, 30, 40. X equals bytes, elements. Print, x, 0. Byte array. The byte array data type is similar to bytes data type. The difference is that the bytes type array cannot be modified but the byte array type can be modified. It means any elements of the byte array type can be modified. To create a byte array type array, we can use the function byte array as elements equals 10, 20, 0, 50. X equals byte array, elements. Print, x, 0. We can modify or edit the elements of the BT array as follows. X, 0, equals 88. X, 1, equals 77. List. A list represents a group of elements. The main difference between a list and an array is that a list can store different types of elements but an array can store only one type of elements. List can grow dynamically in memory. The size of arrays is fixed and they cannot grow at runtime. They are represented using square brackets, and the elements are separated using commas. List equals 10, minus 20, 15.5, Vijay, RAM. Tuple. A tuple is similar to a list. A tuple contains a group of elements which can be of different types. Elements in the tuple are separated by commas and enclosed in parentheses. Whereas the list elements can be modified, it is not possible to modify the tuple elements. That means a tuple can be treated as a read-only list. Let's create a tuple as tp1 equals 10, minus 20, 10.5, Vijay, Mary. The individual elements of the tuple can be referenced using braces as tp1, 1, tp1, 2. Now, if we try to modify the 0th element as tp1, 0, equals 99. Range. The range data type represents a sequence of numbers. The numbers in the range are not modifiable. Generally, range is used for repeating a for loop for a specific number of times. To create a range of numbers, we can simply write r equals range 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.